Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to view code behind a Claude artifact using the Easy Code Mode method. This is a great way to peek behind the visual display on your screen so you can inspect, copy, or learn from the exact text lines that are running your interactive buttons and page layouts. Step 1. Locate your regular chat thread workspace and find the interactive display panel card. Move your mouse pointer over to your message history rows, click on a chat containing an app or document you built, and look at the split screen view on your monitor screen. Verify that your main screen layout shows the interactive preview window sitting flat against your right-hand background view. Because the application splits your screen in half by default to keep the workspace organized, before you can look at the inner components, you must make sure the specific asset file is fully loaded into its dedicated side room rather than staying collapsed inside your text history stream. Step 2. Click the dedicated toggle button to switch views on your screen canvas rows. Look at the top header row of your artifact panel card, find the small button labeled Code or View Code, and click on it once with your left mouse button. Watch the screen canvas rows shift instantly from a live working app into a black text block window containing rows of structured text lines. Because it acts as a digital lens flip for your workspace, the tool normally runs the visual instructions automatically, so you can click buttons like a regular user. Clicking this toggle stops the live rendering engine for a moment and brings the raw text sheets forward, so you can see the exact blueprint driving your design layout. Step 3. Scan the open code block to review the lines or highlight a section you want to study or change. Use your mouse wheel or your keyboard arrow keys to scroll down from the top line of the text block to the bottom line, and click and drag your pointer to highlight a single row block. Look closely at the colored keywords and tag rows on your display view to find specific layout instructions like font sizes or color codes. Because it lets you learn exactly how the assistant structured your request behind the scenes. If you want to understand how a button transitions or how a layout stacks vertically, reviewing these plain text rows shows you the direct rule map without any confusing barriers or hidden steps. And that's it. To view code behind a Claude artifact, you first open your project conversation and locate the interactive panel card on your screen. Next, you move your mouse to the top header to click the dedicated code toggle button to swap your views on your screen canvas rows. Then, you scroll through the text block rows to review or highlight specific rows of instructions inside your view. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.